Hi, you have landed on this course because you want to learn Python. Just so we are clear, this is a crash course for Python where you will be learning basics of Python and how to plot graphs with the datasets available for you. Python is one of the most loved programming languages by developers, data scientists, software engineers, and even hackers. Reason? Because it is versatile, it is flexible, and it is object oriented. You will be amazed to know that all top tech giants are using Python. For example, YouTube, Instagram, Google, Spotify, Netflix, Uber, Dropbox, and even Pinterest. The entry level Python developer can earn about $78,000 a year on average. The average junior Python developer's salary is around $90,000 in USA. And the mid-level Python developer can make around 110,000, and a senior Python developer can get giant $120,000 a year. Finally, professional like analysts, executives, or even marketing giants who wants to generate insights from datasets to make informed decision can benefit from this crash course. So how does the course looks like? Well, we will start with simply installing Python on your machine. We will cover Mac and Windows platforms. Then we will learn all basics, logics, conditions, objects, and different functions available in Python. I don't want you to spend hours and hours sitting on your laptop and just learning. What I want is you to learn fast and start implementing instantly. Hence, we will be plotting some interesting graphs with real world data with the help of some most popular Python libraries. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today and I will see you inside the course.